The Tale of the Paintbrush. A boy and his mother were painting a beautiful landscape on a canvas. Fascinated by the colors and shapes coming to life, he asked, "Mom, how do you make the painting look so beautiful?" His mother smiled and, holding her paintbrush lovingly, replied, "It's not just my hand, son. The paintbrush does the work, and I want you to learn something from it. There are 5 very important life lessons you can learn from a paintbrush. Every brushstroke leaves a mark. This means that everything we do, every word we say, and every action we take leaves an imprint on the world and those around us. So make sure your mark is a beautiful one. To paint well, sometimes you need to clean the brush. In life, we must let go of what dirties or weighs us down: anger, resentment, sadness. A clean heart can create wonderful things, unlike one that holds on to negativity. Colors can mix and create something even better. Never be afraid to change, listen, and learn from others. Just as colors blend to form new shades, experiences and people help us grow. What matters is not the brush, but the hand that guides it. A brush only paints well when it is held with care and love. In life, let yourself be guided by kindness and wisdom, and overcome evil by doing good. Don't be afraid to start a new painting. Sometimes, we must leave behind what didn't turn out well and start again. Each day is a new opportunity to paint a better future. More important than falling is learning to rise again. The boy looked at the paintbrush in his mother's hands and smiled. Then he picked up his own and began to paint his own picture, knowing that every stroke was a reflection of his inner self.